Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than XRP itself. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at the markets, obviously, the market is still looking quite red as we did start off the week because Bitcoin has seen a retracement. But as you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about XRP. And yes, we have some breaking news. Obviously, XRP is down about 2.7%. It has been bouncing, much better than the overall market, as I discussed earlier in the update that just went live a few hours ago. But there are some big developments coming out, which we're going to talk about. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, Eleanor Terrett posted this just an hour ago saying, crypto asset manager Bitwise Invest has filed in the state of Delaware for an XRP ETF. And you can see PSA for those that need to hear it. No, I did not post about the fake BlackRock XRP ETF filing last November because I was out of work that whole month with no access to Twitter. However, my sources on the Bitwise Invest one are absolutely credible, stating, and again, right now it's not confirmed by Bitwise whether or not this ETF filing is indeed a reality. And again, obviously, ETF filing does not also necessarily mean that it is going to get approved by the SEC right away. But, this is an amazing development coming out right now. And again, if this is true, I think it's going to have an impact on the price of XRP in a positive way. And, as we know, October, the month of October is, a lot of people are anticipating it to be a great month for the crypto space. And as far as XRP's price is concerned, a lot of people were asking that question, why is the price of XRP seeing the likes of 66 cents, despite, this SEC case not over just yet. And I think this honestly could be a reality. The news that came out yesterday that I shared with you guys, the breaking news with partnership with the UAE. I think these are some factors that only insiders know. And believe it or not, insidering information in crypto is still a big problem. And I think it'll never, be able to go away completely. Even in the traditional markets, there are insiders that know something that before the public knows. But very big news. If you're looking at DB, they're also saying Bitwise XRP ETF filing is genuine. Spokesperson confirms. And I think as, we go a little bit further into the day, we're going to hear more about it, whether to see if it is a reality or not. But you could really see that landscape shifting. Remember the earlier days where we did see that Bitcoin fake filing announcement came out. And then a few months later, we actually indeed see BlackRock, VanEck, and, Fidelity really going and filing for these big ETFs. So are we going to see that happening? Or are we going to see Bitwise actually waiting until a decision is made whether or not their SEC is going to come in appeal? Again, obviously those are some factors that we need to consider. But what a big development! Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think. I think as more and more people start finding out, more conversations revolving this, and maybe potentially an official statement coming out from Bitwise as well, because I am on Bitwise Twitter right now, and you can pretty much see last tweet was 6 hours ago, and it was about Bitcoin, gold, or both. A lot of people are asking this, and as the Fed and China open the money SIG pot. Historically, it's all about trade-offs, more returns for essentially the same risk. Look to Bitcoin, basically the same returns for less risk, question mark, look to gold. So pretty much that was their last tweet. As of now, people are still waiting for an official statement, even if, sources from these, journalists are coming to be very, big sources, incredible sources, but I think people are still going to be waiting for a confirmation from Bitwise. But again, if this is a reality, guys, this could be a huge deal for XRP, a project that has gone through major ups and downs. And speaking about XRP, even though it has seen that lawsuit, which has kind of put it back, a few years, I still do believe, in terms of retail, they are wanting to get their, hands on XRP and other digital assets, not just XRP, a lot of other digital assets. And I think this is just a step, heading towards the right direction. And I think we're going to see multiple different assets in the crypto space getting ETF potentially. Looking at Bitcoin dominance, it has spiked up. As of now, Bitcoin once again actually retested that support, guys. We saw Bitcoin seeing a major pullback today, but despite Bitcoin major pullback, you're still seeing XRP holding much better than the broader market, and I do think something is up. Let's see what happens. I'll keep you guys covered. Let me know in the comments as to what you think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow on Crypto ZX, and peace out.